scientists. Since we have already investigated water temperatures in the lab, let's consider how this relates to the natural world. We just did a bunch of work in our laboratory. But I promised you that the science we were going to do today was going to help us understand what was happening in the natural world. So we need to go back to the natural world. Remember our drawing of our water sources. Now, I'm wondering, if the sun comes out and provides its great heat energy to warm up, say, a little rain puddle. My little rain puddle there. What's going to happen to my little rain puddle? Is it going to stay like it is after the sun comes out and warms it up? No, it's going to dry up, isn't it? It's going to dry up, and we are going to have water changing from a liquid to a gas. And when it changes from a liquid to a gas, remember that is called water vapor. And the process that it's doing is evaporation. So the water is changed from a liquid to a gas. And those water molecules are going up, 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 up into the sky. And they're moving really, really fast because they are gas now. But they're going to go higher and higher and higher in the sky. And you know what? It's cold up in that sky. That's right. Now, you may be thinking, what? The sun's up there. Well, think about this. If you're on Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, what's always on top? Snow and ice. That's right. Snow and ice. Because it's so high up. It's cold up there. So, my water molecules are a gas, and they're moving quickly. Those little molecules are moving quickly, but they go higher and higher and higher, and they're moving more slowly until they change from a gas into a liquid. And that process is called, remember we looked at it inside this cup when it changed from a gas to a liquid and touched the sides? That is called condensation. When water changes from a gas to a liquid, that is condensation. Now, here's a little clue for you folks. That's where we're getting clouds to form, is when condensation is happening up there in the sky. I'm going to show you a little clue, and that is, look at all those C's. As water cools, condensation happens and it forms a cloud. Now, those clouds are going to get full, aren't they? And what's going to come out of those clouds? Rain. Or if it's really cold, we might get snow, or you might get some other things like sleet or hail. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail, all the types of precipitation that can come down out of those clouds. Of course, not all at once, right? If they all came out at once, you would have no school, but it's impossible. Now, after there's precipitation, I'm going to end up with little rain puddles again, aren't I? I am. I'm going to get rain puddles, and eventually the sun will come out and it'll dry them up, and we'll have evaporation again, and it goes around and around and around, happens again and again and again and again, and there's a really special term for this lovely thing that happens over and over. That's right, folks. It is the water cycle. See you next time when we will explore more water matters.